piece of frozen cassava. You can totally omit that part, but it's good in red pea soup, so I'm adding that. And here I'm just peeling my stuff, and I'm going to wash them, dice, and add to my pot. And we'll get back.
Cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you,
Okay guys, here I made some cornmeal dumpling dough off camera, and I'm just going to make some spinach to put in my soup, and we'll get back.
Even if you're gone, I won't forget.
Guys, I'm adding my coconut milk now. After peas and meat tender enough, you could add the coconut milk at that time, but I'm adding it now. And I'm going to add my spinach.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
After adding all the dumpling, potatoes and stuff, here I'm adding some carrots. I cut those off camera. I'm adding that to my soup. I'm going to stir my pot good. Cover and allow to cook for another 5 or 10 minutes. And here I'm checking back, and I'm going to add some corn, scallion, thyme, add pepper, pimento seed, and I lower my flame at this moment, and I allow my soup to simmer. Then we'll come back and add butter, noodle, and adjust taste if needed.
It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Yes guys, soup ready now, full of body. Just look at this. Just look at that. Yes. I want to take the time out to thank all my supporters for the continuous support. Really appreciate you all. To my newcomers, much appreciation. And if it's the first time you came across my channel, please tap that red button and join the family. And I hope you will test out this one. Tell me all about it in the comment section, guys. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.